The Kayser Short Sale Law Firm would like to present to you the key differences between a foreclosure and a short sale. Let's talk about the all-important ability to finance a new home. If you let your home go back to the bank, known as a foreclosure, and not negotiate a short sale, it may take you up to 7 years to buy another home. If you negotiate with your bank on an approved short sale, you can buy another home in as little as 1 to 2 years. The effect of future mortgages. On your mortgage application, you will have to answer yes to the infamous question whether you've ever been through a foreclosure, rendering you ineligible for most mortgages. In a short sale, there typically are no questions on mortgage applications if you've been through a short sale. Let's talk about your credit score. If you've been through a foreclosure, your credit score can plummet up to 400 points, and it can stay on your credit report for up to 10 years. If you negotiate a short sale with your bank, only your late payments will show up on your credit report, and the mortgage will report to the credit bureaus settled for less than the amount due. It may lower your score as little as 50 points, and the effect can be as brief as 12 to 18 months, nothing like a foreclosure. Let's talk about security clearance. If your employment requires security clearance, your clearance can be revoked and your position could be terminated if they see that you've been through a foreclosure. However, if you negotiate a short sale with your bank, typically it does not challenge most security clearances. In a foreclosure, your employer can run a credit check at any time depending on your position, and if they see a foreclosure has hit your credit report, that can lead to your immediate reassignment, demotion, or termination of your job. If they see a short sale has hit your credit report or settled in the amount due, that is less likely to affect your current employment. Let's talk about future employment. If you've been through a foreclosure, several employers will require credit checks on your job application. And if they see that on your credit report, it can jeopardize any chance to get that job or even an interview. On a short sale, it does not pose many issues to future employment at all. Let's talk about the infamous deficiency judgment. If you let your home go back to the bank and let it go under foreclosure, your bank has the right to pursue you for the difference owed, which is the difference between the amount owed to them on their mortgage and the difference between what they received in the foreclosure sale. The bank has the right to pursue you for the difference known as a deficiency judgment. Most states allow this. In nearly all cases, that difference or deficiency judgment will be much higher in a foreclosure than a short sale. And the best news is, in a short sale, most banks will actually waive the right to pursue a deficiency judgment. In fact, they will give up the right for the entire deficiency judgment against you. Otherwise, if they do not waive the right to pursue any deficiency, the deficiency itself is much, much lower in a short sale. Let's talk about the right thing to do. I think we all know what the right thing to do. Let's preserve your dignity and integrity today. Let's get started.